I'm Adriana Fix, and this is Behind Scenes with Adriana Fix.
Shining Bright, the art of lighting cart assembly in the audiovisual industry. If you work in the stage sound and light department of the audiovisual industry, you understand the importance of having well-organized and easily accessible equipment. When it comes to moving lights and stage lights, the assembly of the lighting cart plays a crucial role in organization. This article delves into the reasons why sorting out small screws is essential in the audiovisual sector. What is the purpose? The purpose of lighting cart assembly is to ensure that all the necessary components for setting up and operating moving lights and stage lights are readily available. By arranging screws and other small accessories in an orderly fashion, you can cut down on the time and effort needed for equipment setup. This not only boosts your efficiency, but also enhances the overall presentation of your work. How it works. To effectively organize the lighting cart assembly, start by grouping screws and small parts based on their size and function. Utilize separate compartments or containers to store each category of items and clearly label them for easy identification. Allocate specific slots or spaces on the cart for each type of screw or accessory, so you always know where to locate them when required. Additionally, consider investing in a durable and well-designed lighting cart that is tailored to accommodate all the essential components of moving lights and stage lights. Not only does this help with organization, but it also safeguards your equipment from damage during transport. Enhancing company branding through organization. By focusing on the organization of your lighting cart assembly, you not only boost your efficiency and workflow, but also bolster your company's branding. Your level of preparedness and professionalism in handling equipment positively impacts your company's image and reputation within the audiovisual industry. Remember, attention to detail is key, and a well-arranged lighting cart can significantly impact how your work is perceived. In conclusion, the importance of organizing small screws in the stage sound and light department is paramount. By dedicating time and effort to establishing a well-organized lighting cart assembly, you not only enhance efficiency and workflow, but also strengthen your company's branding. Therefore, when preparing for a show or event, ensure to prioritize equipment organization. Your clients and audiences will undoubtedly notice the difference.